Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and software. Plug the DualSense into your PC via USB-C or pair it over Bluetooth. Hold Create and PS until lights flash. Once done, install Steam and optionally DS4 Windows. Enable PlayStation configuration support inside Steam's controller settings. Make sure drivers can install automatically. If Windows prompts, allow it. This step gives your PC the input layer it needs so games recognize the controller as either a PlayStation device or an X input device. Now configure how the controller presents itself to Elden Ring. In Steam Big Picture, enable PlayStation configuration support and create a controller layout or use a community template. Steam will translate inputs into X input for many games. If you prefer DS4 Windows, run it, choose X input emulation, map buttons, and set dead zones for analog sticks. Make sure to save a profile and link it to Elden Ring. This step ensures button prompts and vibration behave correctly in-game and prevents drift or mismapped actions. Finally, launch Elden Ring through Steam while your chosen profile or DS4 Windows is active. Check that prompts display properly and test attack, dodge, jump. Once in, tweak camera sensitivity and dead zones until controls feel right. If vibration or inputs are wrong, switch to wired mode, restart DS4 Windows or Steam, and reinstall controller drivers if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if the controller isn't detected, replug using a data-capable cable and reboot the PC. This resolves most driver handshake and Bluetooth pairing issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.